So, you want to be a boss, huh? Well, you're at the right place. Hi, I'm Vince Palco, the godfather of cartoons. Look, I want to be straight with you. Me and my gang of world-class cartoonists, writers, and voice talent are busy. Real busy. But we still got room to grow the right boss's businesses. And if you got what it takes to be an AdToon boss, we can take your process from storyboarding through final production in about 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm going to ask you a few questions along the way and see if you're qualified to be an AdToon boss. Fair enough? Great. First off, I gotta tell you, here at AdToons we don't bid on any projects. Our time is too valuable to do lowest bidder work. So if you're a price hunter, you're wasting the Godfather's time. Let me tell you a story of a guy who used the copycats and didn't get the job done right the first time. Not long after AdToons came to the scene, this guy got himself a quote for an AdToon. And then he decided to cheap out and go with the knockoffs. After testing the copycats, he came back to me and asked for a discount because he spent so much money testing other vendors. Of course, he couldn't beat a real AdToon. Look, like the Godfather always says, you get what you pay for, and it always pays to do the job right the first time. Like Boss Russell told you, there's always a market for fake Rolexes, but if you want the real thing, a fake just won't do. Look, the Godfather only works with serious marketers, the ones who can invest a few grand to make a whole lot more loot. The ones that know it takes money to make money. If you want to get the lead, or the sale, just remember your AdToon needs to be 3 minutes or longer for an opt-in, and 15 minutes or more for a sales video. Capiche? That keeps me and my boys pretty busy, but we got time for yous. But I gots to see if you're qualified first. So I'm about to ask you some questions. Answer honestly, and I'll point you in the right direction, okay? Here's the first question. Do you make over 10 grand a month online? Just answer yes or no below, and I'll take you to another step closer to being a boss. Do you make 10 grand a month or more? If not, that's okay too. Just click the button that says, I'm making under 10 grand now. So, make your move, and be honest with the Godfather.